Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can repair a corrupted MySQL database really easily using a software called Stellar Repair for MySQL. So here I have a database. Here you can see hospital underscore data, and this database is corrupted. If I try to open the appointment table or doctors table, there you can see it is showing a error that hospital data doesn't exist in this engine. So I am not able to see the data or anything else. So it is really easy to fix this database using this software Stellar Repair for MySQL. So we are going to open this software, and once we open this software, we'll see an interface like this. So here you can see. So if I now click on cancel, it will be gone. And if I now click on select database, this will reappear. So here you can see select data folder. So we need to select our database. So here you can see browse. So click on browse, and here my database is inside the local disk C. Then here you can see XAMPP folder, and inside XAMPP I have this MySQL folder. And inside MySQL in the data folder we have all the databases. So you cannot select the databases directly. So you need to select this data folder and click on OK. Then click on OK. And this will show all the database inside that data folder. So here you can see database list, it is checked. If I now just uncheck this, all of the database will be unchecked. And from here you need to look for your corrupted database, and for my case it's this on hospital underscore data. So we're going to select this and click on repair, and there you can see it is processing. You will see a bar like this, processing bar, and it will take different time depending on how much your database is corrupted. And here you can also see the log report. There you can see message repairing process started, and there you go, selected database repaired successfully. And we are going to click on OK, and here you can see all the log process or all the log report over here. And here you can see we have the database and the tables. So here you can see appointments. If I now click here, there you can see I am able to see the column name with the data, and here you can see doctor's table. I am also able to see the column name with the doctor's data. So in order to save this, here you can see save option. So click on save, and it will show you a few options. You can save it as MySQL, SQL script, CSV, HTML or XLS. And here you can see username and the password. So we're going to save it as, let's say, SQL script. Then click on save, and there you can see saving process complete. And if I now, actually it will open the folder automatically, and there you can see recover skip. And if I now go inside, you will be able to see the all the tables SQL. So you will actually find it in the data folder. Here you can see recovered. So this is how you will be able to recover the corrupted database using this software called Stellar Repair for MySQL. So let me just go to the browser and search for Stellar Repair for MySQL. And here you can see this is the website. And I'll also give this link in the description. Just check it out. So with the free download, you can actually see the database column and the data. But if you want to save the database, then you need to buy this program or software. Okay. So this software is really useful. And I hope with this software, you'll be able to repair your MySQL database really easily. So make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.